Okay, so we're looking at another factorising technique, just building up our skills. So the heading is factorising by difference of two squares, but what I want you to do is just use the FOIL method and expand out those two underneath, number 1 and 2, and when you're ready, come back live and just check your answer. Okay, so you should have got x squared minus 3x plus 3x minus 9, and then these two terms are the same and they cancel out, so it's left with x squared minus 9. Second one, 4a squared plus 10a minus 10a and minus 25. And then these two terms are the same, they cancel out, so it's left with that. So if you didn't get that, just check what you did. Check with me if you need to, but otherwise come to the next slide. So what we got was x squared minus 9, and we've got 4a squared minus 25 as our answer. So just have a look. And what we just using what you can see, what do you think the answer would be, but you don't without doing the expansion? So I want you to think about it, talk to a friend, and see if you can recognise what the pattern would be, and then come back. Okay, so you should have recognised if the numbers are the same, and one's a plus and one's a minus, the numbers are the same, one's a plus and one's a minus, doesn't matter what order, you don't have to do the expansion, so we just have to square the first number, and to get the second number, just square the second number. So that would be the answer. And again, you can talk to me in class, but that's the shortcut. You don't do the expansion. The answer is you do need to know what you're expecting, because when we're factorising, you need to be able to recognise that. So when you're ready, come to the next slide. Okay, so we're talking about going that way, expanding, but coming back as factorising. So how do we use this to factorise? Okay, so what we do is we look at the question and we see there are two terms, there's a minus sign in between, and both these numbers are square numbers. So that's what you have to recognise. Okay, two numbers, two terms, a minus sign, and they're both square numbers. Okay, so let's have a look. There's two numbers, a minus sign, and they're both squares. So the answer will be n plus 2, n minus 2, or if you wanted to, you could put the minus sign first. It doesn't matter. So what I want you to do is have a go at number 2 and 3, just using that same thing, and when you're ready, come back. Okay. Two numbers, a minus sign, they're both squares. So the answer will be 9 minus a, 9 plus a, or you could put the plus sign first if you really want to, doesn't matter. The next one, 25x minus 4y, oh it's not 25, sorry, my mistake, 5x minus 4y, 5x plus 4y, or vice versa, that's a minus sign there. So two numbers, a minus sign, and everything's squared. Okay, copy that down, and that's the exercise to do. Pretty straightforward. Thanks for coming.